My name is Wendell Wilson. I'm from Laurel, Maryland. I ride for my father, my grandfather, close friends who've served, and I come because it's an opportunity to demonstrate and show that we do care about the troops, those that have served, those that are serving. It gives voice to those who didn't come home, and there's a wonderment of will those people ever be found. And over the last 20 or 30 years, the views of veterans coming back from armed conflict have massively changed, and Rolling Thunder allows them to, and I and everyone else who participate, to make sure that we keep that enthusiasm that has been fostered over the last 10 or 15 years going.